Hello everyone, welcome to Nalanda Advantage. So today's topic is the type of crops. We'll learn about the crops, the properties, the climatic conditions required to grow the crops, and the various examples. Now this kind of a topic is very important for your government exams or even in your basic NCRE uh, exams or your CBSE exams. So let's quickly start. First question is, what is a crop? Now, anything which is grown or harvested for a profit, that is constituted as a crop. By this definition, we can categorize the crops into 6 categories. They are your food crops, feed, fiber, oil, ornamental, and industrial crops. Food crops, basically, they are used for human purposes, human consumption, wheat, maize, legumes, rice, etc. Feed crops, the feeder crops, they are used for the livestock or cattle consumption. Barley, beets, grass. Fiber crops, used for the industrial purposes, sort of, and used for in clothes, bedding industry, such as your cotton, flax, and bamboo. Oil crops, they are used for machinery, fuel, or industry such as your sunflower, olives. So these are even your soya bean, right? Then ornamental crops. They're used for decoration and landscape designs. So you have few various ornamental designs, especially they are very much in right now for your home decor purposes. And last one is your industrial crops, such as rubber. So on these bases, a farmer grows the crops and for its own benefit and sustenance, and can either choose from between these 6 categories. Now the main topic that we are going to study today is the 3 different kinds of crops based on the season in which they are grown. In India, basically the crops are grown in the 3 seasons, and these crops are known as the Kharif, Rabi, and Zaid crops. Now, Kharif means autumn. It is from an Arabic word. The main thing to always remember in these type of crops whenever you're going to prepare for the exam is the duration, examples, and the harvesting season. The crops which are grown in monsoon season, they are known as Kharif crops, right? So the duration is from June to October. That means they are sown at the beginning of the monsoon seasons, nearly in June, and they're harvested nearly at the end of the monsoon season, that is October. The examples, various examples, they are very important. They're corn, rice, peanuts, maize, millet, and cotton, and few others also. Now these crops, they require a lot of water and a hot weather for proper growth. As you can see, they are grown in June to October. They're also known as your summer crops. So paddy, soya bean, cotton, peas, green gram, these are few other examples of a Kharif crops. Next is the Rabi crop. The Rabi name means spring. These crops are grown in winter season and they're harvested in the spring. That is, the duration is from November to April. Right? So they are almost like a winter season crops. Your examples include wheat, gram, chana, potato, barley, and mustard. Right? Dhania or coriander, oats, all these are your Rabi crops. They also require a warm climate for germination. However, for growth, for proper growth, they require a cold season. This is the major difference. The last one is your Zaid crop. These Zaid crops, they are basically planted in between the Kharif and Rabi season, that is between March and June. So आपके जितने भी बेल और लताएं अगर हम याद करें, वो सारे के सारे Zaid crops होते हैं. The duration is from March to June, right? So they have very less mature season, right? So they can mature early. You can get the harvesting season very quickly. Cucumber, pumpkin, bitter gourd, watermelon, all these are your Zaid crops. So basically, even the season that we are going through right now, you find these watermelons, pumpkin, cucumber very easily, right? So the Zaid crops has been harvested now. I hope these types of crops are clear to you. This is a proper summary of all the kind of crops: Kharif, Zaid and Rabi. So if you want, you can just pause the video and have a look at it. Now let's see a few questions based on these season crops. First question is, what is the crop ratio of Kharif to Rabi crops? Now what do you mean by the crop ratio? Crop ratio is what kind of crops are grown between the two seasons, right? So the area covered by the which particular crop is in what ratio between the Kharif to Rabi. So that ratio here, answer is 1:2. So generally the Kharif area is 1/2 of the Rabi area, and this ratio is generally 1:2. So the correct answer is A, 1:2. Sorry. Yeah. Second question. Which one of the following combination is incorrect? Now, just now we have studied various examples. These kind of questions are very, very common. So Kharif crop, rice and maize. Rabi crops, wheat, mustard. Zaid crops, cotton, sugarcane. Cash crops, jute and tobacco. Now what are cash crops? Anything which is used for industrial purposes, right? Through which profit can be made. Profit is made by growing all the 6 kind of categories, but cash is basically extensively used for selling purposes, right? So jute, tobacco, industrial purposes, they are used. They are high on demand and they sell very frequently, hence they are known as cash crops. So the correct answer here is C. It is the Zaid crop. Because Zaid crops, cotton and sugarcane is a wrong example. The correct example of Zaid crops are your cucumber, watermelon, pumpkin, all these. Let's move on to the next question. In crop rotation, a cash crop may be followed by a fodder crop, which is then followed by soil renovating crop like. Now, before moving to the answer, let's first example what do you mean by crop rotation. Crop rotation is required whenever we are sowing a particular kind of a crop for a particular season. It takes all the nutrients from the soil. As a result, the soil becomes less and less fertile. Now, if we are going to sow this kind of a crop again in the due season, as a result, what will happen? Eventually, the soil becomes infertile. As a result, when we are growing a high intensive demanding crop which requires more and more of the nutrients, so for the next year we grow some kind of a crop by which the fertility of the soil can be restored again. So generally it is done by growing a leguminous kind of a crop. Now what are legumes? All your pulses, dal, okay, these can be grown. So here rice, maize, oats, grams and pulses. The correct answer here is D. So in crop rotation, if you have any kind of a cash crop, jute, tobacco growing, so the next particular season you try to restore the fertility of the soil by growing grams and pulses. Now these grams and pulses, they have the innate ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen, right? They have this process because they are leguminous plants. They have root nodules, right? And a bacteria present in the root nodules which fixes atmospheric nitrogen. As a result, the soil gets enriched in the nitrogen, which is a very important nutrient to increase the fertility of the soil. Now let's move on to the fourth question. Which of the following is not a Rabi crop? Carrot, radish, pea or ladyfinger? The correct answer here is ladyfinger. This is not a Rabi crop. So I hope this video was really clear to you. It was a small video on a small topic known as types of crops, but it is very, very important for the exam point of view. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe the channel. Share, like with your friends if you find the video useful. Thank you so much.